CEH, the Certified Ethical Hacker. Before knowing the importance of CEH, I'll discuss about ethical hacking. Means hacking ethically. The methods of testing your computer and your network for a security vulnerability before a bad guy gets a chance to exploit them is known as ethical hacking. The good guys refers as white hat hackers and the bad guys refers as black hat hackers. They both are equal in knowledge and the skill set they have. They will differ in their ways of thinking. The EC Council divides the CEH course into 20 core modules to facilitate a comprehensive ethical hacking and penetration testing training. Now, here is the first 7 modules of CEH, starting with the introduction to the world of hacking and the hacking terminology and the various types of hackers. The second one is footprinting and reconnaissance. Here we are going to discuss the types of footprinting and the footprinting tools and the countermeasures. The next chapter is scanning networks. Here we are going to discuss network scanning techniques and scanning countermeasures. The fourth one will be enumeration. Here in this chapter we are going to discuss about enumeration techniques and countermeasures. The fifth module will be the system hacking. In system hacking we are going to discuss about the system hacking methodologies, steganography and stegnolysis attacks and covering tracks. The next module is Trojans and backdoors. In this we are going to discuss about different types of Trojans, Trojan analysis and Trojan countermeasures. And the next one is viruses and worms. Here we discuss on working of viruses, virus analysis, computer worms and malware analysis, the procedure of malware analysis and countermeasures. The next chapter is sniffing. In this chapter we are going to discuss about packet sniffing techniques and how to defend against packet sniffing. The next chapter is social engineering. This explains the technique of social engineering, identifying thefts and social engineering countermeasures. Then the new topic takes us into denial of service. Here we have a discussion and some examples of denial of service attacks, botnets, DDoS attacks, and its tools and the countermeasures for DOS and DDoS attacks. Then we move into an interesting topic, that is session hijacking. Here we have discussion about session hijacking techniques and countermeasures. The next topic is hacking web servers. It explains us different types of web server attacks and attacking methodologies and countermeasures. The next chapter is hacking web applications. Hacking web servers and hacking web applications are two different topics. In hacking web applications, we are going to discuss about web application attacks, web application hacking methodologies, and countermeasures. Then the new topic is SQL injection. The technique which explores the entire database by injecting some SQL statement as a vulnerability. So here we are going to look at an SQL injection attacking techniques and injection detection tools. Then we are moving into hacking wireless networks. In this topic we have a discussion about wireless encryption, wireless hacking methodologies and wireless hacking tools, wireless security tools. The next topic is hacking mobile platforms. I think everyone shows interest to learn this. In this topic we have a discussion on mobile platform attack vector, Android vulnerabilities, jailbreaking iOS, Windows Phone vulnerabilities, mobile phone security guidelines and tools. Then the next chapter is evading IDS, firewalls and honeypots. In this we have a discussion about firewalls, IDS and honeypots and the aviation techniques, aviation tools and the countermeasures. In buffer overflow, we have a discussion of various types of buffer overflows how to motivate the buffer overflow exploits, buffer overflow detection tools and countermeasures. Cryptography explains us different types of cryptography ciphers, the PKI, public key infrastructure, and the cryptographic attacks and the analysis tools. And finally, the penetration testing. In this, we have a discussion about various types of penetration testing, security audits, vulnerability assessments, and penetration testing roadmap. Thanks for watching my first video, friends. Comment your suggestions and click